Oh, hi there. I'm Sherry and I'm from the Philippines. And right now I am taking the program Commerce and Marketing. I heard about VanWest College from my brother because my brother earlier came here and then he was looking for a school that would fit for me, and then he found VanWest College. I also checked other reviews and everything. It looked like a good school environment. I chose Commerce and Marketing because ever since I was in high school, I really wanted to be related to commerce. It has a co-op, takes 2 or more years, and I wanted to stay here in Canada more, and it's related to what I like to learn. Actually, my future goals is to learn more and be in the business industry. In the future, I would like to have a small business or start something. I can say that VanWest College has really helped me move forward with my goals, that I have learned so much about the law in Canada. Yeah, I have really learned a lot. I really feel supported here in VanWest College because it's not a very huge school. They can really focus on us since we're not that many students. We can really interact with one another and they can really take care of each one of us and ask us questions and follow up on us. The things that I'm looking forward in my co-op is to learn more about the sales industry, to learn more about how to market here in Canada since it's very different from back in our country. Try to have more experience about this which I can apply in the future.